Good morning from Seoul. Today's the day I'm running 5 kilometers through one of the most iconic places in Korea. Just finished my warm-up, got my gear on, and I'm feeling pumped. Let's go! Now I'm on my way to Gyeongbokgung Palace. This place is stunning. The energy here is unreal. You've got the mountains, the palace walls, and the city all blending together. Perfect backdrop for a run. Let's hit that 5K. Running here, it's surreal. Every step feels like a dream come true. I've imagined this moment for years, feeling the breeze, seeing the palace walls, hearing the city hum around me. I'm beyond grateful for this chance to move, to breathe, to be here.
It's 5K tayo ngayon. Good morning guys. Nandito ngayon tayo sa Seoul. Medyo pause pa guys. Naka-rides. So let's go 5 km. Samahan nyo guys. Ikotin natin itong Gyeongbokgung Palace yan. Yung sikat sa mga hambok. Let's go!
Walk. 1 minute.
Alright. 1K. So dito lang tayo sa malapit. Sa pinag-istayan namin. Gyeongbokgung Palace. Plan ko dapat sa Han River kaso umulan. Dito lang guys, malapit guys. Gyeongbokgung Palace. 5K lang tayo guys today. September 13. So South Korea. Let's go. View.
Run. 3 minutes.
Temperature check 19 degrees Celsius this morning. So compared sa Pilipinas, para lang naka-aircon outdoor. Medyo cloudy, parang uulan. Eh, pagdating ng gabi, mas bababa siya up to 16 yata, 15 degrees. So, outdoor aircon. Let's go. Okay. Yan, isa to sa mga jogging place. Marami tayong nakikita mga jogging areas dito. So, inikot natin itong Gyeongbokgung Palace. Around more or less 3K. Kulang 3K, mahigit. Sold lang agad ng 3K. Inikot mo pa lang to. Yan. Marami ka rin dito makakasalubong na mga na mga joggers. Friendly naman yung mga bumabati sa akin. Good morning in Korea. Jeez. $3K. Let's go. $4K. Let's go. $5K.